Alright, this is my new toy, 2005 Mustang GT. Rag top, black top, got the top down. Been riding today. Just trying to show you what it looks like. It's a little dirty, but I need to clean it up. But it looks good. So I'm gonna walk around it real quick so you can see it. Nice burgundy color. I don't know if it's red, burgundy, whatever. Don't really matter, but the seats are nice. Looks real clean. See, I'll zoom out real quick. Alright, it's all the way out. See both sides of it. Everything's stock. Gonna do some work to it. Gonna put some flow masters. See how it goes. See the back of it. So take a video of the inside. So you see you got the red seats. Look real nice, automatic. Real nice and clean. Alright, I'm gonna show y'all the hood. Or what's under the hood, I should say. Nice, clean. So, here y'all go.